Hello investors and traders, today I'll speak about Albemarle Stock, Albemarle company. So look, Albemarle is the largest producer of lithium and second largest producer of bromine in the world. The two products account for the nearly two-thirds of annual sales, and this company produces lithium from its shale brine deposits in the US and Chile. The company has two joint ventures in Australia that also produce lithium. Albemarle's Chile assets offer a very low-cost source of lithium, and the company operates in nearly 100 countries. And Albemarle produces annual sales of more than $7 billion. So it's a nice player in the lithium market. Let's have a look on the chart. In my mind, here using daily waves, it was the first wave. It finished here at the end of 21. It was the first wave, the second, the third. The third is usually the largest wave in the impulse, and here it was a triangle most probably. Here the fourth wave. By the way, triangle we may find usually in the fourth waves, and then here at the fifth wave it finished. So actually it was in my mind the first wave. Then I guess it was a correction, ABC move. It was ABC move correction. The second one, the correctional one, and now I'm expecting to see the third wave. So the third wave usually the largest wave in the impulse. So that's why of course I'm expecting this stock, this company to grow. And also here, by the way, the major support level, it's 175. Also from its high levels, the company already down more than 40%. So you may buy a nice stock with a nice discount. And also let's have a look on my custom stock screener. So look here, the market cap $22 billion. Its performance in this year is this stock down more than 20%. P ratio 5, it's very cheap, and the MPS only 2. By the way, we can see that using my values, my calculation, the fair PS ratio, price per revenue, is 10. But here we have only 2, so it's really very cheap. The net income margin about 40, so very highly marginal business, highly marginal model the company has. Any problems with debt? The debt-to-EBITDA ratio only 1, interest coverage very strong, Altman the score also high, guarantee ratio higher than 1, and of course we can see a nice EPS grow more than 40% for the last 5 years. If we speak about the dividends, they are not so high, but look, in my mind there is a great potential, a great opportunity for this company to increase the dividend payments, because the payout is less than 5%. It's very low. But look, the dividend increase years history is 30%, so it's very impressive. But in my mind, still now with the strategy, it's a growth stock, but it can any year to become a dividend company, to the dividend stock. By the way, here the history of 30 years, it's really very good sign. If you stock dividend, if you stock picker, I believe that the company will increase its dividend payments. Also, let's have a look on its some new data, its fundamentals. So the PE, really very low. Actually, it's the lowest P for the last 5 years. P ratio, price per earning. Here we see that the revenue of this company for the years continue to grow, and the marginality also improved since 3 years ago, 4 years ago. So generally speaking, a very highly marginal company. The amount of debt, as I told you previously, is not significant. Of course, the company has debt on balance sheet, but it's very well covered by its income, by its cash flow. So any problems with debt, And also I would like to check the projections. The projections here for this company. So look, based on 27 analysts giving stock rating to the Albemarle for the last 3 months, most of them saying buy. So 18 analysts saying buy and 3 strong buy, 18 strong buy, 3 buy, and 4 hold. And based on 24 analysts offering a 1-year price forecast for Albemarle, we can see that now we 190, but the average target is 36% higher, is very close to, it's closer to the $300. So the projections here are okay, are very well. So generally speaking, Albemarle, by the way, it's a stock that I'm considering and that I'm personally considered to add to my portfolio 2024. Highly marginal, now it's in a correction. By the way, the company offer you a nice dividend, it's pay you a nice, offer you a nice dividend history, and also the valuation. I remind you that I prefer to buy not expensive stocks. For example, Apple, Google, all of them, Amazon, all of them are expensive now. That's why, by the way, one reason why I sold Amazon. It made more than 50% in this year, but in my mind, potential not so high. So we see actually now it's the COVID lows. May, April 20, it was about 2, about 1, the PS ratio. Now actually now it's the same. So the PS ratio, the revenue of this company, its valuation now is really very cheap. Actually it's the cheapest, one of the cheapest for last 6 years. So another argument why why considering to buying it. I still don't bought it, but I looking for it. And there's the momentum indicator, technical analysis telling me that now it's 41, it's already oversold. Last time, by the way, yes, I told you it was a moment to buy it. It was here on February 22, and another one, it was the COVID lows, but I'm not sure it will happen in the near future. We may see RSI about 32, 31. Actually 41 for me is enough to buy the stock. So it's my view on Albemarle. Nice company to consider, to watch. It's a correctional one. If you like my channel, if you like my analysis, of course press the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next time. Bye.